Hi friends, in this class we will discuss about order Coryciformes and its example Alcedo Atys. Scientific classification. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Ace, clade Picodinastrornithus, order Coryciformes. Characteristics of order Coryciformes. These colorful birds in this order include the kingfisher, the bee-eaters, the rollers, the moths, and the toadies. Most of the birds in this order have the front three toes fused at the base. This phenomenon is called syndactyly. The legs of Coryciformes are short and the feet are weak. One of the typical features of this order is a long and large bill. Most Coryciformes have large head as well. The neck in Coryciform bird is usually short. Most of the species spend a significant part of their life on trees. Coryciforms are spread out in all parts of the world except the cold regions such as Antarctica, Greenland or Russia. Most of the species in this order have a very bright colorful plumage with different distinct patterns. Birds have long, keeled, angular beak. Anterior toes are united and adapted for diving. Legs are short and weak. Examples: bee-eaters, hoopers, hornbill, Abyssinian roller, black-faced kingfisher, crested kingfisher. Next, Alcedo Atys. The common kingfisher, also known as Eurasian kingfisher and river kingfisher. Wide distribution across Eurasia and North Africa. They are found on the shores of lakes, ponds, streams, and in wetlands. They have even been known to fish in brackish water. They are important members of ecosystem and good indicators of freshwater community health. Physical description. Common kingfishers are renowned for their iridescent blue plumage. Wings black and head completely blue. The throat and a small part of the side of neck is bright white. They have a small red feet. Their beaks are long, sharp, and strong for the purpose of catching and holding prey. Males and females are very similar except for their beak. A male's beak is jet black while the lower half of a female's beak is chestnut. Juveniles are slightly more green and duller than adult. Reproduction. Mating is the only time that Alcedo Atys individuals are not solitary. At the beginning of the mating season, males will chase females through the trees, producing a loud whistle. Common kingfishers will find a new mates each year. Mating only occurs in the warmer month of the year, starting in April and ending sometime as late as October. Mating system monogamous. Food habits. Common kingfishers hunt for prey from a perch above the water. When they see potential prey, they dive into the water, grab the prey, and fly back out. After catching a fish, they will hold the prey by its tail and whack it against the perch. After consuming fish, it will regurgitate a pellet of indigestible bone. Economic importance for humans, positive and negative. Common kingfishers are important members of ecosystem and good indicators of freshwater community health. The positive impact is body parts are source of valuable materials. The negative impact is angler once considers Alcedo Atys a threat to trout population. Thank you.